Earlier, I gave you Umarex Notos. Now, I got that Marauder. Look. Reggie, Mighty Mouse. Because it's a lot stronger than you ever believe. But here we go again. Look, I told you it's going to be Notos, oversight. Now, the Marauder got an Optima 32, something like that. Well, I'm going to get back in the car. Now, I'm going to show you. See where the dark crevice is? It's only this side of the hill. See the dark crevice is right there? Up above the crevice, above the bright line, is 4 cans in the crevices of that hill. Only on that side. Below that is 4 cans where the light stuff is. That is a road. So we're going, you can see it there. 3 mags. 14.3 Premier. Some of this points. Now I'm up at the, it's about a quarter way up, way over to the first can. They're blue. Up there, bottom, the brown part. I shouldn't miss. Who you gonna talk about? So let's know what the rest. Uh-oh. That way too low. I don't know what happened. Let's try. That's to the right of that. Missed that one. Somehow. Let's go up. Hit it, just didn't fall. Try to still won't fall, so I go to the right. Let's go again. Not good enough. Go to the right of that. I missed that. Let's flip one. 7 of them. Just Marauder before it goes. Let's go the ones across the bottom. Left. Through. One right through. You can hear it. It's going through. The one next to that. That I missed. The one on the end. Now test the bottom. Let's go with that one again. Oh, it is a hole in there. Do you see it? Wait a minute. Something didn't happen. Didn't catch it fully. Let's go again. The one. Missed that. Let's go to. Uh-oh. Somebody just ain't fine to say. Go back to all the way on the right. You can. Got it. Oh, second mag. Started off at 3,000 PSI. Okay. See where I left off? Well, go up the crevice, start, test it. To the left of that. You hear it. You hear it. You see it too. At the bottom row, it's going to the top. In the middle. Go back up, grab it. Right. We're there, right? Careful. Mighty Mouse. And the Kansas yards in front, I'm going to say 30 yards. It's